In this video, we are going to learn how to design a duct in AutoCAD. Let's start. First of all, we are going to create a 2D sketch. Here, I'm giving a distance of 8, then total 18 distance, and total 6 distance. We are going to round the corners. For that, we take fillet command, F enter, R enter, 2 enter. So we're taking 2 radius, both the side. Now, we'll define the cross section that we want to sweep on this. For that, I'm making a rectangle, REC enter. We'll click on the screen and we'll make a rectangle of 5 by 5 size, enter. Now we'll join this sketch, we'll select join command, enter. Now we'll go to 3D view. Okay, so see the 3D part. Now we'll take a sweep command, we'll type SWEEP, enter. Now we have to select object to sweep. So this square will select our object, enter. Now we have to select the path, on that we have to sweep. So this is our path, we'll select that. Now here you can see it is sweep. Now we'll change this into conceptual view. Now we want to round this edges. For that we'll take fillet edge, we'll type the command fillet edge, we'll select from here and we'll specify where we have to apply the round. So we'll select those edges. So I want to apply here and just move the model by pressing shift button and middle mouse button and selecting the second edge. Go to radius and type the radius value to 2, enter. So that becomes perfectly round, enter. Now we have to make it shell this models. For that we're using solid editing tools from here, and here we have the shell command. So first we'll select the model that we have to shell, then we have to select the faces that we want to remove. So I'll select this face, we'll press shift button and rotate the model. We'll select the second side face, enter. Then we'll specify the thickness of the shell. So I'm taking 0.5 mm, enter. So here my model becomes shell. Now let's change some visual property. For that we'll go to property command. We'll select this model and we can apply some color. I'm applying here green color and cancel the property tool. So this is how we have designed a duct shape in AutoCAD. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.